Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video it's the step 2. Step 2 about the replication of data. How to replicate data, how to automate data replication. It's about the SQL server always on. In the first party, in the first step, we configure it because in this replication we need the controller domain, the primary, and the two servers for the secondary. Okay. But in the first step, we configure the domain, we create account of the domain, the account we will manage this replication, okay? So, the domain server, the primary, secondary, okay? And we did that, okay? And in the second step is to join all secondary server. Okay. So before to join this, we try to check. We use the SQL check. Okay. And we create the account. We finish here. Okay, we try to check under point. Okay, here we finish. And this account is because it's another account. Okay, this account is SQL admin. We found it in the domain, okay? And this account will start all services and agents in SQL Server. And so after that, we created the availability group. We finished this in the step 1, okay? Now in the part 2, we finished to use the scripts. Now we will use SQL Server Management Studio, and we can use SQL check, very useful. Okay, if this is okay, to check this with the Kerberos. Okay, when this will be okay, after that we can test to add the database. Okay. Adding databases, okay? We can activate the listener, okay? So this is the last step to do. If it's okay, before we must to see if the report it's okay. About Paraclets BK SQL admin. I will show you why. Okay, we finish this. Always will be okay. Now, please, let's go. Okay, before to start, I forget. Before to start this second step, it's very important to check environment, to know the database is okay, all okay. I check master SQL WinSQL 22. This is my primary server. And the endpoint is this. We check the name is, and we create in the step, the part 1, the endpoint. Endpoint is okay. We have a name. It's the same. I show you in the document here. We come back here. Okay. We create here. Okay. Sorry. We create. Step, we count. When we create account, we check it will be here. We create, use master, we create on the point here, and step started. Report this, okay. Secondly, we create a viability group, okay. This was in the first secondary, the second secondary, and the primary. Okay, we finish. When we come back, now in the part 2, we use SQL Server Management Studio. I put this. Yes, the guy. Okay. Control X, I put it Control V here. Okay, I put in bracket. And now we will use this. Before to continue, it's very important to check in all servers, the primary, the secondary servers, to check if the domain account is correct to follow our demo, okay, because this account will be correct with Kerberos, okay. And when I finish this, I can join the secondary replicate server in the primary, okay, primary, sorry. Put this and secondary, yes, small details, okay. And after I can add databases in my primary and listener to see how replication is working. This is to check, to create, to put the listener, okay, availability listener, okay. So we must to do that. Please, let's go. And I come here in the primary server, okay. I come in the primary server. I come to take some information, okay. We check this, okay. To see availability groups, okay. This go execute. We see AVG1, okay, and we have this, okay. So the next step, I put only 2 databases, but you must to check in the databases the properties only in the option it's full, perfect. We close, the same in the second, okay. These properties option full, perfect. And console, and only to check if this backup it's okay. Script backup, task please, backup full, okay. Media, no append overwrite, check, okay, perfect. We take the second. We put backup, media option, no happen, overwrite, verify. Okay, two conditions, full and backup. Okay, and now this is I can put minus. Okay, for me it's always on high availability. So now we see it's red because the secondary is not before join. Okay, here is how to join. To join, you must to check before. If I come here, I take to connect in the secondary one. I put secondary one is 2 here. Secondary one, connect. No problem, I'm connecting. I take the secondary 2 database. This is 2, oh sorry, 1, yes, 1, okay. Connect. Connection between primary and secondary, it's okay because the domain account is SQL admin. When this will be connected here, I come back here. Always I take this, okay, this, okay, I take this, okay. I put before to start. One thing to do, I go to my temp directories, SQL check. Okay, this we can put in the archives. Okay, I take these tools, click run as administrator. SQL check will check if your environment is okay. I come here, I open with Notepad+. This told me information about NetBIOS, the name of the server, my domain, okay. I go in the last line. You must to check SPN account, okay. This is a little bit small, I can put that. Okay, in setting preference, in the preference I take, I want to increase the size of, okay, because it's very small for you, I must put that big, donc tools, no sorry, setting, style configuration, I will take this, Georgia. And 14, okay, save, sorry, no, Georgia, the size 14, so it's global styles, default styles, Georgia. I can change the color, okay. Save. Yes, I think it's okay. It's okay. We go. Here, we check. We will be nice. Now I come back in the primary to do the same thing. Check. This we put in the archive. Okay, same. Run as. So SQL check, very useful to check if you want to edit. I put the top. I saw, okay, it's nice. Setting, sim parameter, default style. We put 14. Okay, save and close. We can see here. Okay, you must to check. The service account is Paraclet. My domain account user. My domain account. And the port is 1433. When we create the listener, we must to check to use this port. Okay. Here I will see my account. The server is server 1. Okay, correct. This I can check it. We use, for example, here we come in PowerShell. Okay, we can check it. Set SPN manus L SQL admin is my domain account. We see this correct. You must to check it. Okay. This is the same. I can put properties, font big. Okay, font. Okay. Yes, it's okay. 20, 18 or 20. Go. Okay. This we check. This is my primary. My primary, it's okay. The secondary, it's okay. The secondary, it's okay. In this case, that means I can connect in my, okay. Don't remember, set SPN minus L, okay. Now, this is okay. We check for the last, it will be the same, okay. When this is okay, I come back in the primary. Primary here we want to join the secondary in the secondary server, replicate in the primary. Join. Okay, I use SQL Server Management Studio. Join in the availability group. Okay, I put go. And in this case, it asks me to connect to this secondary one. Okay, connect. Here we have a default, this connect, okay. We put okay. In this action, we join the secondary in the primary. Take a step. I didn't put database, the databases. When I finish to join, I can add database in my configuration. Join the replica to availability group. My group is AVJGR1. okay, it's okay. Now we can we come here. Okay, I check my process execute. Okay. Okay. Now we join the first primary, okay, and we will do the same for the second primary. The second primary we want to join, we do the same operation. Join. Okay. Okay. I refresh. Okay, we see here I join the two primary and secondary. The second step is to add a database here. Before to synchronize these databases, I will to check two database here. When I come in the secondary one before, I check it's open. Okay, I can close that. This can close. Yes. We notice here no database. Okay, the replication is not ready. I come in the second. I come in the secondary 2. Sorry, this is 2 and 1. It's 1, and this is 2. Okay. I check the configuration manager, or it's okay. We can change here to put this in automatics. Okay, automatics, services, automatic. Right. Okay. Okay. And we notice, I told you, the account, it's my domain account. Okay. We close that. Okay, I come in the second primary, no databases. Okay, and now I come here because my configuration of replication replication, it's available. Okay, now my configuration, it's okay. Here the SQL, we have this, we had the databases. Okay, we click this, we can check the replicate. Okay, execute. We saw we have tree, and I come here, I want to add this database to replicate this database inside the first and the second secondary replica. Here we come, here, go. add database. When you do that, okay, you can click if you don't want to see that again. Go, okay, I put this and this. You notice here, we say meets prerequisite. It's okay, this is okay, the two, it's okay. And before to start, I told you here, sorry, this is my domain. Okay, the domain we check account, it's okay. This is the primary. In the primary, we have this. Now we want to add this database. This database will be seen here. Here we have nothing. Okay, the same with here. Here we have nothing. Okay, I come here. Oh, sorry. I come here. Okay, I put this next. Okay, no connect. We connect. Yes, we connect. Yes. Okay. We can say connect all. It's the same. Connect all. It's the same. Okay. Next, here automatic send. Okay, don't forget automatic sending. Next, successful. Okay. Next, finish. Okay, finish. Successful. Okay, now we close. We can check here. Databases, we put this to refresh. We come here. We refresh. We see database synchronize. Synchronizing. We come back in the primary, we see database synchronized. You see? And we come in the last, the secondary to synchronize. Okay, database synchronize. In this step, I can tell you always on it's successfully installed. We come in, after that, you must to test to create one database inside this configuration. For example, we can create a new databases. Okay, here I come. Okay, I finish my demo in always on SQL Server, always on. But we must to test something to create the table in the primary to see if this table is replicated in the secondary. Okay, now I take the same table here. We want to test to create a new table. We can call it BK to see backup. Okay, I come here, I take my, I say use, okay, execute, okay, we take this, execute, set code, I take all this, okay, go. Oh, sorry. Yes, ID exists. We must change only the this PK to put BK. Okay. BK, go. Execute. Now we create a new table in the primary. is synchronous. We try to check this table. Its name is employee BK. Okay, is for the test. If I take this, okay, Control C, we come here, we see, Control V, this, select from, okay, so I need to check the table exists. Go. Okay, we see here, and I just create this table BK. We go here in the the first secondary. I come here, I refresh, I come in the second, because the replication is in primary and two secondary database. I come here, refresh. This is the replication asynchronous. Okay, I come here, I take the same, I come here in the database synchronous. We can to check table here. We can find BK, it's here. It's automatic. You see, it creates automatically table, database is in the second. Okay, we can do the same to copy, to now always on it. Good and activate. Okay, here you can create the listener, the last thing, the listener here. We have always, okay, to create a listener, but in the listener, we must to put the same number of port. Add listener. I will take AVG, okay? AVGR listener. Okay? Here, the port 1433, we say add. Okay, IP address. For this listener, I go to check in my domain. Is for this reason I leave open my domain. When I check the server one, it's this. I can put my listener IP address 186, okay, because it's free. 1186. I come back here. IP address 186, okay, and 255 0, okay. We say okay, okay, add, sorry, console. This is okay. Yes, okay. This is okay. Okay. And now we see the port is here. You see. So this, I can say we finished to do the demo of always on in SQL Server. I can say to everyone, thank you for watching this video and my demo. Don't forget to to subscribe, and to share. Thanks so much, and bye, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care, please.